Good morning, students. Today we're going to be playing Responsibility Launcher, and this is a game on the exploration tool Icivics that helps you better understand what civic responsibilities are and how they can be used to help solve any problems or issues you may have. So the first thing you want to do is start a new game, and this is a very quality game of teaching you how to do this because it goes about it in a way that's simple and giving you issues to practice with a person right here. So what you do is you click on this. I think that old folks should have to retire and not worry about becoming homeless. If there's any way to help them, we should chip in. So then what you do is you come over here, look through these civic responsibilities, paying taxes, and military service, and try to find the solution that may help that. And I think it is paying taxes. So you go over here, click here, come over to this thing, and launch. And it'll let you know if you got it right. It's a very quick game, so time managing this game is going to be very easy for you. You're not going to have to run into any struggles of not knowing what to do. It's very laid out easy, and it only gives you 3 to 4 responsibilities per thing. And I find that makes it a lot easier to understand and manage your time with this a little better. All right, so we're going to go on to the next round. And the next round gets a little trickier because then you have 2 people now, and it adds an extra responsibility. So I'm going to read this. All my friends think I'm reasonable and fair. I wish there was some way I could use my skills of good listening and attention to help our city. So to me, that sounds like jury duty because jurors need to have good listening skills and cooperation with each other. And for this girl, I like when traffic lights work, but I don't have time or money to change the bulb every time it goes out. What do I do? What do I do? And so paying taxes, again, is another way to help you do that because paying taxes is how we pay for such things like roads and utilities that we all use. So then you launch it. It's going to go through this animation. And there's a lot of motivation, I think, for you guys to do this because I'm going to want you guys to practice doing this, and I want to see who can get the best score. And the higher the score you get, the more you can brag to your friends and you can post it on social media and challenge yourselves. I think this is a very good opportunity for you guys to learn civic responsibilities in a way that's easy to understand and doesn't seem so overwhelming. So thank you so much for listening. Get started with the game, post your times on the discussion board, and hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for listening.